you can see here, we have some chicken. We have a cold salad of some kind. A roll,
just not sure.
some butter, and some cookies. I have water and coffee.
As for the silverware, it's wooden.
For another 2 hours. Forest closed down everything this side of the mountain.
I love it.
To get through to
Have
Chicago.
some mashed potatoes here, and they look like they have got Yukon Gold or maybe Redskin. We have some chicken and some green beans. What does Grandma always say? Don't eat with your hand.
Seen anything like this if you need a
Now
ride.
this is Delta food.
What was it we had to do?
And when flying Delta, they are the best. So let's try a bite of chicken by itself.
A little bumpy up here, but we'll be passing in a few minutes. A couple points of interest. We're now flying over Hoover Dam, and a little later on we'll pass to south of the Grand Canyon. Meanwhile, relax, enjoy your flight.
Reminds me of turkey and gravy that you get from Stouffer's or something. I actually like it. Let's try some of the mashed potatoes by themselves.
Dryness in the throat. The virus benefits red blood cell becomes dizzy. Biggest experience
wow.
itchy rash.
Great, amazing. There's a chunk of potato in there. It's very creamy. It tastes almost like it has some sort of sour cream added to it or something. Very good. Green beans look fresh.
Gee, we got fog right down to the deck. Every place east of the Rockies. Those spots right there, right up the left of Chicago. Looks like that big
That they are. Very warm. Now here we have some sort of cold salad. It's supposed to be a potato
On
salad.
the belt line, the automatic button, there's an altitude. Now that is the manual inflation button. Pull it out and blow on.
This is really good. Look at the packaging. Smells fresh. Now, let's see just how good this little knife is. Okay.
This is due to periodic air pockets from the
Yeah.
tunnel. There's no reason to become
This
alarmed,
butter
and
is
we hope you
pretty
enjoy the rest
hard.
of your flight.
So I can tell you right now what you want to do.
Everyone knows how to fly
Kinda.
a plane.
Make the butter down a little bit. Squeeze the butter. Warm the butter up. Now this looks like a roll. Put some right down here with our potatoes.
Just unbelievable.
Some with our green beans.
People about food inspection.
And the rest
All these years, someone listened.
shall put right on our roll. Some chicken on there that to me tastes more like turkey.
All right, let's get out of here.